songs without you. Or you.
Or you. Yeah, because everybody gets stage fright once in a while.
Well, not me.
Let's give it up for Grandpa Beaver!
Grandpa Beaver? Grandpa Beaver's song is about to start. That means we're up next.
Let's practice.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Uh-oh. Where'd the tree? And we bring that. Uh-oh.
Are you playing a prank, Fergie?
No. I can't sing. Not without us banging. But you are a lead singer. The tree trunks can't perform without you.
We need help curing these hiccups, and I know who can do it. Looks like we need a vet who always knows just what to do.
Let's go to Vina. Vina the vet.
She's coming!
She will take great care of
You.